Hi guys, it's Kristen with APOKREATIONS, and this is a collab that is being hosted by the Friendship Express, and we do monthly themes. So normally it's, once a week, and we do, whatever we're doing. But once a month, they pick themes, and this month, because of Valentine's Day, we chose Valloween. So I'm going to do something with this tray and a few other tidbits that I have. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have made up just shy of 120 mils of Tea Expert. And into it, I am going to be adding these gorgeous glitters that I got from Laura's Art Corner. This one is Heart's Desire, and this one is P.S. I Love You. Where is my... I'll just pick that heart up when I... Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to pick all of it up. And I'm just gonna put it around in the edge. Okay, let's see how I can do this without making a mess. Of course, you can't ever find your daggone silicone tool. Okay. Next layer, I am adding Wild Rose Shimmer to my Jade Diction. And this is an absolutely gorgeous color. And again, make sure that you check out Laura's website and be sure to use my discount code if you see anything that you're interested in, because that'll get you an extra 10% off, because Lord knows we all need all the money savings that we can. So I'm going to just pour this kind of slow. Oh, so pretty. So I didn't make enough to fill it. So I will probably do another coat or, another layer off camera, because, obviously you don't need to see me pouring resin again. So I will see you when it's time to demold. Okay, time for demold. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let me put this back on here. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, that is so pretty. I love that glitter. This is gorgeous. So, because this is Valloween, I have a couple of things that I'm going to do. So, first off, isn't that pretty? And I'm going to do something different with this in a little bit. And then, gotta have a sticker. Sorry, Gert. Okay, so I trimmed around it. I don't know if I have my little squeegee. Okay, so I guess we're going to do the taco method. So, to put these on there, guess what I got? Ta-da! Got me some Green Stuff World instant glue. Love it. And yes, I have already stuck my fingers together. Okay, I am going to let that glue dry, and I'll be back for the next step. So for this step, I have made up some Bond Crafter resin and the mirror pigment red from Little Windows. And this is where the Bleeding Heart comes in, because this is also part of the Bleeding Hearts collab hosted by Jules, the Resinator, or the Resinator by Jules. Anyway, both of the Friendship Express, Valloween, and the Bleeding Heart collab playlists are below in my description, so be sure to check them out and see all the wonderful creations. Now, basically what I'm doing here is taking the UV resin and dripping it over the edge so it looks like the heart is bleeding, hence the bleeding heart. And this red is really red, and it's so, so pretty.
The workbench is ready, the sun's peeking in. I'm clearing the surface to let it begin. A wooden slab waiting, a raw piece of pine with a grain like a map and a rugged design. I'm heating the wax, let the amber flow deep, waking the beauty that the timber would keep. From a rough cut block to a polished gleam, I'm carving out pieces of a maker's dream. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, making a magic that's purely our own. From the wood and the resin, the wax and the flame, no two creations are ever the same. With pigments and glitter, we're making it shine, one piece at a time, in a handmade design. Now the tumbler is turning on the motor slow flash of the glitter, a sprinkle of light. That cup starts to dazzle like a star in the night. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, making a magic that's purely our own. From the wood and the resin, the wax and the flame, no two creations are ever the same. With pigments and glitter, we're making it shine, one piece at a time, in a handmade design. Now I'm leaning in close for the jewelry wire, setting a pendant with a heart full of fire. I'm casting the charms in a crystal clear mold, locking in mica and flecks of bright gold. The pigments are bleeding, a sunset of hues. There's no room for hurry, there's no room for...
Okay, so I mixed up 90 mils of Apex Cure Pro. Okay, guys, so here it is finished. So the playlists will both be in the description below because this is for the Valloween as well as the Bleeding Hearts Valentine, hosted by Jules, the Resinator. So be sure to watch both of the playlists below. Subscribe if you're not already. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And I will see you guys all for the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.